Hello you guys, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Lake. If you don't already know, I go by Lake Marese, and today we're doing a cleanup with me video. Alright, that is my timer because I had to set a timer for Drano. My drain has been a little plugged lately due to me washing my hair when I had got braids. So I put some Drano down there, and I did put some Drano down there last week, but I didn't put enough. My bun's a little lopsided, but it's okay, girl. We're going to be good to go. But I didn't put enough, and it was starting to go down a little faster, but not fast enough. So I'm just like, ew. Let me show you what my room looks like. I'm not going to be really like showing into detail everything because I will be doing a room tour as well. The bedroom is not bad. It's more like I got to vacuum and I got to fold my clothes. The bathroom isn't super bad either, but it bothers me. Like when my room is not clean, it gets to me, okay? In my bathroom, I haven't cleaned it in probably like 2 weeks. So that's what I'm going to do as well. Y'all, my bun, I'm not gonna redo it because it took too long for me to do it in the first place, and I kept having to redo it. So we ain't gonna do all that. The tub needs to be clean, the counters, the sink, the mirror, and the toilet. My bathroom really isn't that big, but it takes me so long to clean it because it's like I want stuff to be a certain way, and so I drain doing the bathroom. I do it first, and then I come to the room and do the room last. So when you walk in, you see my counter space. There's me and Z's toothbrush. I gotta straighten it up because it was in a toothbrush holder, but it got a little nasty and I didn't want to sit my toothbrushes back in there. I rinsed it out, but I didn't fully clean it. So I got stuff all on the counter. The toilet needs to be clean. The trash isn't bad. Every time I clean the bathroom, I take my towels out completely. I take everything out. So if Z just put a new towel in here yesterday, oh well, it's getting tossed, okay? I have to throw this away, my back scrubber, because it's starting to rust due to the fact that my shower caddy, I need a new shower caddy too. If you can see that little groove thing right there causes it to come all the way down, and I don't like that because it be making my like products get wet, and then some of the stuff like my razors like rust a lot faster than it should just because it's pushed so forward, and it just, if I push it back, it comes back forward anyways. That is a Rhino tub. That's from when the water was not going down fast enough, and I just finished like shaving my legs, and I guess like the oil and stuff from my legs caused the tub to look nasty. Ew! That rust stain is actually not from like dirt or anything like that. When I first moved in, the tub was already like that. How the tub is kind of shaped, it's like it's slanted a little bit, so sometimes the water will sit in the middle if, you know, you're in the tub or you're in the shower for a while, and so usually when the water goes off, it'll slowly go down, but some of the water will still sit. I kind of kick it with my foot to push the rest of the water down. I'm thinking whatever happened was the person before me had like a floor mat in there, and it just caused water to sit under there constantly, in which made it rust. I tried scrubbing it really hard when I first got here. It lightened up a little bit, but not like a major big difference. So let me set my camera up and we're gonna get started on the bathroom. Okay, now I'm in the bathroom. The Drano has set for more than 20 minutes. I'm about to pour this hot water that I just boiled down the drain, and we're gonna get to cleaning. Yeah, I'm scared. Down back. I'll be coming to the end of time. Okay, now I have cleaned the tub, and we're gonna move on to the toilet, which shouldn't take me long at all because it's really not that dirty at all. I just, those little gel clicker thingies that I put in there almost every week or every other week. I have 2 of them that's about to like dissolve completely. I'm tired of looking at it because it's taking too long to dissolve. So I'm just gonna scrub that out, clean the toilet with some toilet bowl cleaner, wipe all around, sanitize, and then we're gonna move on to the counter and sink. This towel is to use strictly for the toilet, or it's just going to be thrown away after. Either way, I won't use it for anything else but the toilet. Okay, so now I have cleaned the toilet and we're about to move on to the counter and sink space. We're going to take everything completely off, wipe everything down, sanitize everything down, clean the mirror. I just need to remember I have a bad habit of cleaning the mirror after I done clean the sink, and if you think about it, when I clean the mirror and you spray everything, some of the stuff falls down and it makes spots on the sink. And I don't know why I always do that after. Hopefully I don't do this time. We will be completely done with the bathroom.
I break his heart, don't take no time.
$1 bills. have finished the bathroom completely. I'm about to take me a little snack break because I'm a little tired and I realized I haven't had anything today except this little mug brownie, which was disgusting. Tastes like cheap brownie mix.
Oh my god.
This is why it be taking me so long to clean up. Procrastination. Like, got on TikTok in here 20 minutes in the past 5. Now we're about to sit here and fold these clothes, organize my bed a little bit better, organize the desk. I'm gonna organize the closet, vacuum, and then we will be done. So yes, my flowers are in my bottle because I haven't bought a vase for it, but I'm getting a vase today. I just couldn't have them die. I couldn't have them dying. So he bought me these roses last night and it's so sweet, and you know, y'all know I love me some yellow. Yeah, I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do with the black organizer. It might just be used for clothes that I don't have space to put anymore in my dresser. I do have still a few items up there, but we're not gonna figure that out today. I try to straighten it up the best of my knowledge, and we're gonna keep it going. Alright you guys, so this concludes the end of my cleanup with me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it as well, but I don't know why it took me so long. Well, I did procrastinate, but then when I started back, it took me forever. Like, I've been cleaning for some hours now, y'all. Woo! I will be dropping a room tour very soon. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions on the products that I use. I thank y'all again for watching my videos. Like, I really do appreciate it a lot. Remember you guys, it's a beautiful day to keep moving forward, and I'll catch you guys next time. Woo! So glad I'm done with this. It should never took me this long to clean up, like, for real. Sis is tired. Finna go get me some cheesy bread from Little Caesars and call it a day. I don't know why I've been having this obsession with pizza and orange juice lately. Like, I love it. I tried cheesy bread from Little Caesars the other day because when I had the pizza, I didn't really care for it like that. I don't know. I'm not sure what type of pizza I had. I know it was like cheese and pepperoni, but I just know when I had it, it wasn't all that to me. So when I decided to try their cheesy bread, y'all, you talking about some good clean so that you guys can see very well what is going on. Like, oh gosh, I didn't know you could see all that. Y'all, don't mind my hair. I had took out some of my braids around my edges because it was starting to like pull and tag onto my hair, and I was really scared that my hair was gonna come out. Finally. No, my vacuum. Excuse me. Hey Siri. What's today's date?